Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a little walkthrough, talk through, get ready with me / makeup tutorial on this look right here. This is a super summery, warm, bright makeup look that I've been doing semi recently, at least before I started doing Mary Poppins. So I really enjoy it. It's super bright, super summery, and it's using the Colourpop Sol palette, so it's inexpensive. I did use a little bit of my Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3 palette, but that is totally optional. Don't have to do that. So this is a super inexpensive makeup look, and yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and jump right into it. I hope you enjoy, and let's get into the talk through tutorial. Hey guys, so like I said in my intro today, I'm going to be showing you how to get a really cute, corally warm summer makeup look using the Colourpop Sol palette, and I'm going to use a little bit of my Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3 palette as well. So we're just going to go ahead and jump right into it. So this is going to be a full face, but the main tutorial part is going to be on the eye makeup, of course. Speaking of eye makeup, we're going to jump right in with my NARS eyeshadow primer. You guys have seen me use this a cajillion times. And we're just going to go ahead and prime my eyes. This is going to be a little bit more of a talk through tutorial / get ready with me because I haven't done one of these in a minute. So, oh my gosh, it is the day before I leave for vacation / move-in day, and you guys, I'm procrastinating finishing packing like so hard. Like, it's bad. I literally have less than 24 hours to get my life packed up to go back to school, and I'm not here for it. Every time I start to do something, I just get like overwhelmed and I flake. And I'm like, nope, let's go play Sims. Ah. Okay, so now like I said, I'm gonna go in with the Colourpop Sol palette. As you can see, it got a little damaged. It didn't come to me like this. I dropped it twice within like a day or two. And this guy died. Like, I had fixed it, and then it died again, and I was like, there's no resurrecting it this time. So I lost out on the color Hotel, but it wasn't one that I used a whole lot anyway, so I was like, if there's any color that I'm going to lose out on, I guess it should be that one. But anyway, I'm going to go in with these top two colors right here on the end, which are Dynamite and New Digs. I'm just going to take that on my brush right here. This is a Real Techniques base shadow brush, and I'm going to go in to my crease, and I'm just going to build that up until it has the desired warmth that I want. We started getting notifications yesterday that classes are being uploaded onto like our general like school site that we use, you know, for classes and everything like that, so I was looking through all this stuff. I'm so nervous for the semester, you guys. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be a lot. Like, my one friend is starting her freshman year here, and I feel like I'm not going to be able to spend any time with her because I'm just going to be in the library all the time. I have a finance class, a management class, abnormal psych. I start my honors thesis this semester. I have choir. Oh, and I'm doing research with a professor this semester, so that's 6. Okay, yeah. So it's gonna be a long semester. Anyway, so as you guys can see, I'm just building it into my crease, going slightly above, and just warming this look up. My cats are kind of freaking out because they hate when I pack. Whenever there's like an open suitcase or duffel bag or anything on a bed, my one cat, Felix, likes to go and sit in it. He's actually on my bed right now. You can kind of see the corner of his head over there. Like right under my light. There it is. There, he just moved. There he is. You heard me talking about him. So now I'm going to go in with this color in the corner here, which is Unwind, which it looks very brown, but it's actually just like a very warm toned brown, almost orange looking, and I'm just going to go ahead and put that in my crease as well. Again, to build up the warmth, but add a little bit of depth to the crease. I'm going to focus it mostly on the outer half and then blend inwards. So as you guys can see, it's a lot warmer than what it looks like in the pan. So this will probably be the last video that you guys see in this setting again. Then we're going to get back to the good old dorm desk that you guys know and love. I just went shopping with my grandparents the other day. We went back to school shopping, and I picked up a few things for my dorm. I picked up like 5 clothing items though, and one of them was a brand new flannel. Oh my god, I'm so excited! I love flannels. So now this has about the right shade that I want. So now I'm going to go in with this color up top here. This is the color Anthem. Sorry for like blinding you guys with my mirror. I'm going to go in and I'm just going to put that, and I'm actually going to go in with a little bit of B&B too, which is this other shiny shade right here, and I'm going to put that on my lid. And I'm just going to use my finger to do this. I don't know, that's how I like putting on lid colors. And as you can see, it's still very warm, but much more neutral, but it is shiny, of course, which is what we like. We like a shimmery lid. Got a bit of a golden tone to it, summer vibes all around. Now I'm just going to take the brush that I had with no extra product on it, and I'm just going to kind of blend those two together, make sure there's no harsh lines between shadows. So now I'm going to go in with my Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3 palette, and I'm going to go in with this color right here, which is the color Jewel, and I'm going to take my finger again. Here. I always take my middle finger, that's just, I don't know why. I'm going to put that right over top of my lid shade. And this basically just adds a little bit more brightness, a little bit more shimmery. Just gives a bit more of a pop. But we don't want to take a lot. And I like to pat this on, that way the color is a little bit more concentrated but also blended and neutral looking. So now we're going to go in with what I consider to be my favorite part. And that is, if I can find the brush I want to use. Here we go, we'll use this guy. So this is a Real Techniques accent brush. And we're going to go in with this red in the middle of the Sol palette here, and it's called Motel. So Hotel was right next to it, now we're using Motel. Tap off the excess, and we're going to put that on the outer corner. And you definitely want to tap this in and then blend it out, because that's how you'll get the most concentrated pigment and color. This one you do have to kind of build up a little bit. At least I've found that I have to build it up. Some people are like, whoa, this color is so bright. Mine, I feel like I have to work a little bit more for it, but it's such a pretty color that I don't really mind. So I'm just going to build it up to the desired pigment and shape and blendability. And I'm going a little under halfway into my lid. So now I'm going to go in with an angled brush, and I'm going to go in with just the color Unwind, which is that really warm brown that we put in the crease, and I'm going to take that on my lower lash line. And I'm going to take that about 3/4 of the way into my lash line. And then we're going to grab a big fluffy brush like this one. This is a Satina brush. This is the round angled shadow brush. And I'm just going to take that and blend out my lower lash line a little bit. Smoke it out. Awesome. So now we're finally, for shadows, we're going to go back in with the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea palette. And I'm just going to take a small brush, or in this case, a brush end. And I'm going to go in with the color Escape up at the top here. And I'm going to put that, oh god, I'm getting shadow on myself. Oh boy. I'm going to put that on my brow bone and my inner corner. So now I'm going to go in with eyeliner. I'm going to be using my Kat Von D tattoo liner today. And I'm just going to go in, hopefully, let's see what happens, as thin as possible with a very small wing. But, you know, I always say that, and it doesn't always happen. So do whatever your desired wing is. I'm going to try and go for a little bit more of a small one today. But like I said, who knows? It's another eyeliner that's dying, and I'm barely getting any use out of it anymore. I need a new eyeliner so bad, and I just haven't bought one yet. Because I know I have one waiting for me, like one that's unopened. I have waiting for me back at my dorm. And so I'm just trying to get as much use out of these ones here as I can. The third cat has entered the arena. He's sniffing around right now. Alright, now we're going to try and create the wing shape. So this one turned out pretty much exactly how I wanted it, which of course means that I'm going to go to do the other one and it's going to turn out bigger and I'm going to have to fix. So let's see what happens here. Oh, there we go. Get the ink flowing again. Come on, there we go. Guys, I think I got even liner that's tiny. Look at me go. I can always get like one eye done, and that's when the product starts to run out, and I have to like get the juices flowing again. But that's why I keep hand sanitizer here, so that I can sanitize my hands pretty soon after I do that and try and get as much of the product off as I can. So now we're going to go in with some lash work. So I'm going to take, first off, my Lancome CILS Booster, aka Lash Primer, and I'm just going to go in and prime my lashes. And also, you can do some tight line work and stuff on your eyes before this. I'm just choosing not to today, because this is going to be a pretty casual day at home. I don't need all the drama today. And then I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Snapscara, and I'm going to put that on both my upper and lower lashes. I'm not looking forward to having to pack up all my makeup, because that just makes me sad. Because I also have to decide when I want to take, like, on vacation with me, and what I want to just pack away and get ready for move in. Okay, when I'm not gonna make myself. I also have to clean my brushes today. Like, holy crap. Some of my brushes are so dirty. It's not even funny. Two brushes specifically, I know are like disgusting because I used like one color on them solely during my musical. One of them is black because I used it for soot on the chimney sweeps. If you didn't know, I did Mary Poppins, and I was part of the makeup team, so I had to soot like all the chimney sweeps pretty much, as a good 65% of them probably. And the other one was bright green because I had a bright green costume for Super Cal, and I had to use bright green eyeshadow for a lipstick. So, I mean, you can just see it. It's gross. Really need to clean that guy today. So now I'm going to go in with my Tarte Lights Camera Lashes mascara, and I'm just going to put that as a second coat only on my top lashes. If you hear crinkling in the background, my cat just discovered the plastic bags that are sitting behind my my little filming vanity here. Right, little one? I don't know if you guys could hear that, but she just responded. and it was quite cute. There we go. We love a good bold lash. So, as you guys could probably tell in both this video and my last one, I actually am pretty tan right now, so I'm not going to go in with any bronzer today, so I'm going to go straight in with blush, and I'm going to use NYX blush in Pinched. I'm going to use the same blush brush you guys always see me use. Obviously that one's a little dirty too, but this is a Satina angled contour brush. I'm just going to put that on the apples of my cheeks. And I'm going to go in with a very light hand and build up because this is a very pigmented blush. Now I'm actually going to go in with a fan brush. This is a fan brush from Moda. Looks like this. We're going to go in with my Estate Do Me Lit highlighter. You guys heard about this in my unboxing Ipsy video. It's actually a little light, which is why we're going in with a fan brush. I'm putting on a very, very light coat of it so it's not too frosty on my tan skin. But we're just going to put that on the high points of my cheeks. Okay, and then last but not least for lips, we're going to go in with my Colourpop liquid lipstick in the shade Stud. And we're just going to put a rather thin layer of that on. And there is already lip balm on my lips, promise. And then we're going to go in with this really, really cute sample size lipstick from Tarte. This is one of the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea lipsticks in Island Life. As you can see, it's a pretty well-loved sample. And then last but not least, we're going to go in with my current favorite lip gloss right now, which is actually this guy. This is called Queen, and it's from a new brand called Glosses Poppin'. I think I talked about this on my Instagram. If I didn't, this is a brand that followed me on Twitter, and so I decided to buy from them. It's this girl named Skylar. She started her own cosmetic business. She has lip glosses and lip scrubs. And so I ordered both a gloss and a scrub from her, and they're really, really great, so you should definitely check them out. They're really inexpensive, which is awesome. Totally go and check them out, but like I said, this is the Gloss Queen. And there we go. So that is the tutorial for you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and leave it here, and we'll film an outro in a little bit. So yeah, this is what the final look is. Like I said, that is everything that I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoy this look. If you recreate it, please let me know down in the comments. I'd love to look for photos on Instagram and stuff of looks like this. Like I said, I really hope that you guys enjoy, and know that the next video probably that comes up will be in my dorm. We are going with back to school season, like I mentioned in the video. So yeah, this is all I have for you, and I will see you all very, very soon in my new setting. You guys have a great rest of your summer, and if you're going back to school, good luck, and I'm right there with you. Bye, guys.